How to get 90% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find offers and deals for Shein. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 90% off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, you can copy it. Then make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Temu. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over the paste the copied code and then proceed to checkout. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 90% off Temu coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.